ka-investors, so aside sa monthly amortization of your property, ano pa nga ba ang other payments that you need to prepare? So today, let's talk about the HOA or the association dues. Kasama sa association dues ang maintenance ng mga common areas ng building tulad ng lobby, hallways, elevators, amenities at iba pang shared spaces. Included din dito ang 24/7 security services at CCTV monitoring para mas safe at secure ang mga residents. Covered rin ang insurance ng common areas para may protection ang shared facilities ng building. Usually, ang association dues ay around 120 pesos to 140 pesos per square meter per month at babayaran lang ito once na turnover na sa inyo ang unit.
Sa madaling salita, the HOA or the association dues help preserve the quality, the value, and your overall living experience. This is Charisse, your guide to owning here in Mega World. Message me to know more.